Hello everyone, welcome back to Molly's Cozy Kitchen. Today we'll be making blueberry bran muffins. These muffins are a fantastic way to start your day. Let's get started with the recipe. In a large bowl, we are going to combine 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, half a cup of oat bran, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of salt. Now we're just going to mix that up until it's all nice and combined. Then we are going to toss in 1.5 cups of frozen blueberries. Once we have the blueberries in there, we're going to mix them up until every blueberry is coated with the flour mixture. This will keep them from sinking when we mix the batter all together. Now, in a smaller bowl, we're going to combine 1.25 cups of yogurt, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of melted and cooled butter, I prefer salted, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then just whisk or mix that all up until it's nice and creamy and homogeneous. Alright, once that's all ready, we're just going to combine the yogurt mixture with the flour and blueberry mixture. Then we're just going to gently fold that together. We don't want to overmix our muffin batter because when you overmix muffin batters, then they can get kind of gummy and dense. We just want to make sure everything's combined, but it's okay if there's a few streaks of flour. Okay, so once we have our batter, we're going to portion it out into our muffin tins lined with cupcake wrappers. This recipe made about 18 large muffins for me, but it might depend for you. Alright, once it's all done, we're just going to get some turbinado sugar, which is kind of like a coarse, crunchy cane sugar. It's really great topped on scones and muffins. This is optional, but I like it. Kind of adds a little extra something to the muffins. Just sprinkle that on top. And once that's done, you're going to bake the muffins in an oven that is preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes, rotating halfway around so they cook evenly. And once the muffins are done, you're just going to let them cool completely, and once they're completely cool, you can store them in an airtight container for up to a week. Or you can give them a try when they're nice and fresh. I have my dad here with me to help me try these delicious muffins. Alright, and let's see what he thinks. We both absolutely love these. They're sweet, they've got a little nutty kind of oat taste from the oat bran, and they're an absolutely wonderful breakfast treat. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell for notifications. You can check out the full recipe at mollyscozykitchen.com. Thank you all so much for stopping by, and I'll see you next time.